So according to the triangular law of vector, if you're asked to find x, z, then you'll see a double arrow here to indicate it is the resultant. So since this is the resultant or the answer we are trying to find, xz, notice in relation to this shape, the double arrow is going in a clockwise direction, while the other two, the arrows are going in an anti-clockwise direction. So simply put, why is it? Don't understand why it started to flash. Okay, so simply put, if you want to find the resultant and the direction is going clockwise, then you have to calculate it in an anti-clockwise direction. And it makes sense because if the vector we're trying to find starts with x, must end with z. So the first vector will have an x. So it will be x to y. So it will be xy plus yz. So notice it starts with x, the first vector starts with x, and the answer must end with a z. So the second one or the last one must end with z. So what does xy equal to? Xy is equal to p. Notice the arrow going in that direction, so it's a positive p. So it's going to be equal to p, and then yz is equal to positive q because it's going that direction. So vector xz is equal to p plus q. But what if I want to find vector zx? This time the arrow is going this direction. So it's like it is going anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, the answer, if you're trying to find the answer, we have to go in a clockwise direction. So we go from z to y. Okay, that's not z, that's x. Z to y. So it's going to be z to y, vector z to y, plus y to x. Again, it must start, the first vector must start with a z, and then the last vector must end with an x. So z to y, going in the opposite direction, it now becomes minus q. And then y to x, it becomes a minus p. So that would be the final answer. All right, easy cheesy.